Here in this video, I want to share with you guys some sites you can use to market your products. Now, most tell us one of the problems we do have is or are where we can sell our products, and most people don't truly depend on working customers. For you to get enough patronage, you should not depend on people that just walk past your shop for patronage. You should make use of social media. Now, most people as well, they tend not to be conversant with Facebook and some other social media platforms. But there are some sites that are designed for sales and services. So if you're a tailor, if you're a shoemaker, if you're an interior decor, you have products to sell, you have services to render, that you can sell your services or products to people. So this video is for you. So make sure you watch to the very end and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So the first site we all know you can sell your products is on Facebook. Now, Facebook has where they call Facebook Marketplace. It is right there on your profile, right? So you have to get a picture of your product, snap it in a very standard manner, like make sure the background is white enough, you have a neat background and neat outlook or art finishing, and then post those pictures on Facebook Marketplace and make sure you watermark your pictures or whatever your videos or whatever you want to upload there, and drop your contact number. Now, your contact number should be your direct WhatsApp line and your Instagram handle, Facebook handle, so that it will be easy for people to contact you. There are some people that doesn't really like to call, all right? They prefer chatting. So, and also make sure you give a nice description of the goods that you are selling, both the size, the color, the texture, and the quality of material you used in making the outfit. If you're selling fabrics or if you're selling sewn clothes, right? So Facebook Marketplace is one of the places you can sell your products aside your Facebook profile, because people do go there to patronize vendors whom are offering some services or goods right there. So the next place you can market your products is on Jumia. Now, Jumia is a popular company or brand that focuses more on sales, of items, clothes, phones, shoes, anything at all that you can sell. So Jumia, at the onset, they just required your sign up and you create an account with them and you have kind of a store with them and you keep on uploading your products, whereby if anybody makes an order, they will contact you to supply if you have not already supplied to their local store. But one issue with Jumia is that they have some limitations to people living in areas outside Lagos and Abuja. So I think as time goes on, they will do better by putting up stores in different states in the federation. So when you have your products on Jumia, you create an account with them. But currently now, what they do is for you to create an account with them, you must have your CAC, that's your business must be registered. You must have your tax number and you must have a reference letter from your bank. The bank that you will use to collect your payment, you must go to your bank, get a reference letter, which you will use to create account with them. So all of these requirements are there. So you just have to make research to know more and to know how to go about it. So Jumia is also one of the places you can also create a store with them and upload the pictures, and it will help you to reach out to other clients that are not in your vicinity, and you make sales and supply your products to them as well. So the next place I know is Konga. Now, Konga is likely same thing with Jumia, right? They still have their peculiarities and differences. So Konga is also, you can also have a store in Konga where you sell your products. And I still think that those requirements by Jumia is also required to open a store in or with Konga. Now, the next place you have to get your products sold is on gg.ng. Now, Gigi is also, they would like say the Gen Z type of Jumia, right? It came out newly, yeah, it's younger than Jumia and all the rest. So gg.ng is also a very popular site or portal where vendors tend to, put up their products for sale and also give their details, and anyone that picks interest with the products will make an order, and they to be supplied with their description and terms and conditions. So the next as well you have to use to sell your products is on Amazon. Amazon is basically mostly for the way I know Amazon is for books. Those publishers, they sell more of goods on Amazon, but recently they have started to sell other products on Amazon as well. So you can also create a contact, create a store with them, and also have your store on all of these platforms. Now, the next is also eBay. eBay is also another portal or place you can sell your products. eBay, right? Now, you also create an account with them, do the necessary forms, fillings, and everything, and your account will be open. And then the next we have is Shopify. Shopify is also a good place where you can also market and sell your products. So you make sure that when you take your time to open even Etsy, ETSY, right? Etsy. So it's also another platform as well. You can also sell your products on. Now, the reason I am listing these brands to you are the ones people must have been used to. They have tested them and they can testify that these places are good enough. There are other places you can market your products and sell, which is good as well. So when you create your account with them, you make sure that you go and read up their picture requirements. Like they have a particular picture resolution which you must have before you can create and before you can upload. Right now, when you upload, don't be in a haste as well to make sales. If you upload today, you might be lucky to get a sale today or tomorrow, but don't be in a haste. Right, just take your time. Upload pictures that are convincing. Upload pictures that are clear and clean, so that when customers come to view your store, they'll have enough pictures to be convinced that this product is good. And it's advisable that you have, the rear view, side view, and the frontal view of any product you're selling for them to be aware of what the back looks like, so that they will not have reasons to return the product to you when they make an order. Because the terms and conditions of Jumia is that they do payment on delivery, meaning that the client will receive the goods with a rider, and once the rider picks up the goods and pay the Jumia will not pay you. So Jumia is like an intermediary between you and your client. So they make sure that the customer is satisfied with your products before they can remit your money to you. So you can also be patient enough while waiting for all of these processes to accomplish. So now, the same thing applied on Konga, Gigi, some of these stores as well, some products as well will be payment before delivery, right? But most of them are payment on delivery. So now, before you open these stores, please make sure that your product is standard, and make sure you know how to package your products. Like someone making a shirt, should have a transparent nylon which he or she can use and iron properly. Package the product, if possible. Put your description of the product, the size, is it large, medium, extra large, or however. Now put everything, the texture of the fabric, is it cotton or silk, is so that they will know what they're buying. By the time someone takes his time or her time to go through the whole product description, he or she will not make a mistake in the choice of product as well. So I will stop here for now. So if you derive joy or derive value from this video, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, ask your questions, and I'll also go through the comment sections to guide you all on how to go ahead in this whole process. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.